Hello everyone. Today we'll study about fundamental duties. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, let us start. See, though the rights and duties of the citizens are correlative and inseparable, the original constitution contained only fundamental rights and not the fundamental duties. So, the original constitution did not mention the fundamental duties. Later, through the Swaran Singh Committee recommendation in 1976 by the Constitutional Amendment Act 42nd in 1976, fundamental duties were added to the Constitution. 10 fundamental duties were added initially in Part 4A in Article 51A. And later in 2002, by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, one more fundamental right were added related to education. We'll see next. Okay. Next, list of fundamental duties. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals, institutions, national flag, and national anthem. That means everyone should respect the ideals, institution, national flag, national anthem. Next one, to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. And this we should also cherish and follow our noble ideals that who have struggled for our freedom. We should give respect to the freedom fighters. Next, we'll see to uphold and protect the sovereignty and unity and integrity of the India. We should uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Next, fourth one, to defend the country and render the national service when called upon to do so. Whenever the emergency, whenever the country gets necessary, that time we should be ready to defend the country. Next one, to promote the harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, religion, or sectional diversities, to renounce the practice of derogatory to dignity of the woman. It's telling that promote the harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood, should be common brotherhood, and renounce the practice which are derogatory to the dignity of the woman, such as sati, devdasi. Okay, next, to value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. To preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. We should preserve our heritage culture. And next one, to protect and improve the national environment, including the forest, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have a compassion for living creatures. Should have the compassion for the living creatures. We should protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and should have a compassion for the living creatures. Next one, to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Next one, to safeguard public property and to observe violence. Next one, to strive towards the excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the national constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Next one, provide opportunity for the education to his child between the age 6 and 14 years. This fundamental duty later added to the Constitution by the Constitutional Amendment Act 86th in 2002. Next, we'll see features. First one, some of them are moral duties and while others are civic duties. For instance, cherishing the nobles Noble ideals of the freedom struggle is a moral precept, and respecting the constitutional, national flag, and national anthem is a civic duty. Okay, next one. Confined to, see, the fundamental duties are confined to citizens only and do not extend to the foreigners. See, these fundamental duties are confined to only citizens, not, it doesn't extend to the foreigners. And next, fundamental duties are non-justiciable. Like the directive principles, the fundamental duties are also non-justiciable. The constitution doesn't provide for their direct enforcement by the courts, and there is not legal sanction against their violation. However, the parliament is free to enforce them by suitable legislation. Next one, they refers, the fundamental duties refers to the such values which have been part of the Indian tradition. They refer to such values which have been a part of Indian tradition, mythology, religions, and a practice. In other words, they essentially contain just a codification of tasks integral to the Indian way of life. And in other words, it contains just a codification of tasks integral to the Indian way of life. That's all about features. Next, we'll see significance. See, the fundamental duties act as a reminder to the citizens. The fundamental duties serve as a reminder to the citizens that while enjoying their rights, and they should also be a conscious of duties they owe to their country and their society and to their fellow citizens. The fundamental duties are warning against the anti-national and anti-social activities like burning the national flag, destroying the public property, and etc. Next one, the fundamental duties, they serve as the sources of the inspiration for the citizens. This serve as the sources of inspiration for the citizen and promote the sense of discipline and a commitment among them. They create a feeling that the citizens are not mere spectators but active participants in the realization of the national goals. Next significance, the fundamental duties help the courts in examining the and determining the constitutional validity of a law. And next, and the last one, they are enforceable by the law. Hence, the parliament can provide for the imposition of appropriate penalty or punishment for the failure to fulfill any of them. Okay, that's all about. I hope you all have understood this topic. If this video helps you in any way, please like, share, and comment. Okay, thank you.